Need a new furnace, air conditioner, or hot water heater, but not sure whether to rent or buy? Regardless of your equipment needs, it's important to know what's right for you. Here's what you need to know to get started. A rental unit is a great option for a lot of homeowners as it gives peace of mind that your repairs are always covered. Lifetime repairs and maintenance are included with your rental, so you'll never be surprised with an unexpected repair bill. As a rental customer, you'll also have 24/7, 365 live telephone support and direct access to technicians that know your equipment and have all the parts on hand to service it fast, so you never have to worry about being without heating, cooling, or hot water. With rental, you'll also get the convenience of one low monthly payment that is easy to budget for, even with our most efficient units. There are no upfront equipment costs, and you can take advantage of any available government rebates. Plus, when you rent a heating or cooling system, your annual maintenance is fully covered. That even includes the maintenance of your humidifier and upgraded filters for optimal air quality. Buying is another great option. Buying your equipment allows you to take advantage of special promotions or competitive financing rates so you can still find the right equipment that fits your budget. Plus, when you purchase your equipment, you'll still have access to Reliance's large network of professionally trained technicians. We also include standard parts and labor warranties on all of our equipment so that you will be covered in the event of a faulty part or breakdown. You'll also have the ability to keep your heating and cooling equipment running efficiently by adding a protection plan to your purchase that includes annual maintenance and allows you to avoid most unexpected repair costs. At the end of the day, the best option is whatever suits the needs of you and your family. If you're renting, your unexpected repairs and annual maintenance for your furnace and AC are covered. With buying, you'll own your equipment and you'll always have the option to cover repair and maintenance costs with a protection plan after your warranty period. Whichever you choose, you can call on Reliance and schedule a time with our trusted home comfort advisors. Our advisors will take the time to assess your needs and help you make the right decision.